any further, given that he might be called as a potential witness. The trial is expected to start Wednesday. In Montgomery County, Corey Smith, News 4.
Then you might want to keep in mind when you're booking your flights for your upcoming vacations. American Airlines says it will continue to cancel flights because of the trouble with the Boeing 737 MAX. American says up to 90 flights a day could be canceled through the 5th of June. That airline normally uses about 24 of those jets, but they are all grounded, as you know, because of those two deadly crashes in Ethiopia and Indonesia.
Those delays won't likely help Americans with this next one. The American airline, it's ranking near the bottom in the latest airline quality rating survey. On top this year, Delta with JetBlue, Southwest, and Alaska rounding out the top four. This annual study measures on-time arrivals, percentage of mishandled bags, passengers bumped from flights, and complaints with the transportation department. But it does not track social media complaints, which have become one of the most popular ways for passengers to vent their frustrations and get some attention from the airlines.
Yes, and maybe a free ticket or,
peanuts.
and a couple hours in the lounge.
There you go. Every little bit. All right, not a good day to fly. In some parts, it's pretty rough.
Or to be driving. Yeah. I'm sure rush hour is not happy.
Yeah, especially in our southern zones. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning that just came out. Now, this severe thunderstorm warning till 7 o'clock and includes parts of southern Maryland, most of southern Maryland, actually, Calvert County, St. Mary's County, Charles County, parts of Prince George's County as well. You can see what's happening right there on the radar. I want to show you one of the strong storms right now crossing over the Bay Bridge. You can see, take a look right at this camera here. We just had this storm right over the Bay Bridge a little while ago. It's now making its way over towards Kent County and Kent Narrows, making its way across there right now. You can see that, a little bit on the wet side there for sure along the areas of the Bay Bridge. Now, take a look at the storms going on mostly to the south. We've got this one storm here right over the Bay Bridge here, but it's these storms down to the south that have prompted this severe thunderstorm warning as it makes its way off toward the south and east. So D.C. just seeing some scattered rain, some light rain right now, some steady rain though along the Beltway and right on down I-95. But look at these storms right here, one around Waldorf area. I've been tracking this one. Severe thunderstorm warning for this as it makes its way into southern Prince George's County, in towards parts of Calvert County. Another one down around Leonardtown, another around Calvert Beach. This one here has been the strongest storm right here. And take a look. You can see a lot of lightning with this just south of Mechanicsville, right around Leonardtown. A lot of lightning, and that really prompts us to say, okay, this could go severe. That's why I was waiting for this severe thunderstorm warning. And there it is right now for parts of St. Mary's County. As it moves off toward the east, it's moving at about 50 miles per hour here. Could have 50, 60-mile-an-hour winds, maybe some small hail, but heads up around Leonardtown, coming in the next 10 minutes here around the Chingville area at 6:01, California at 6:05, and Drum Point there right along the Potomac at 6:11. This is a line that has formed now from Fredericksburg right over towards portions of the eastern shore, and we'll continue to see this making its way on towards the east. Now, behind this, we're going to stay in the showers right on through the rest of the overnight period, probably through 2, 3, 4 in the morning. The heavy rain, though, continues to move out. What moves in tomorrow? We loved 83. That was the high temperature so far today. Amelia, we get there again tomorrow.
Yeah, absolutely, Doug. And it's going to be a comfortable start tomorrow morning with the temperature around 61 degrees. Around the midday hours, we're at 72, so nice and mild. Tomorrow going to be perfect to have the lunch outdoors. If you have to run an errand around the midday hours, it's looking really nice. We'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine throughout the entire day tomorrow and a bit of a breeze with a high once again of 83. So it's going to be a good day to get out in the lawn and garden as well. Now, the experts at Merrifield Garden Center tell us that you can improve the soil and prevent weeds in your landscape beds by putting in mulch, and you only about want 1 to 2 inch layer of mulch. And also, I thought that this was kind of interesting. Don't create those mulch volcanoes around the trees because they actually injure them. As we take a look at how the weather is going to be impacting your Tuesday, for the most part, having a pretty low impact on the day. Heading to and from work, not really seeing any issues. School for the kids, recess definitely going to be outdoors tomorrow. Outdoor exercise, there's a small chance for an isolated late day shower or thunderstorm tomorrow as another cold front moves through the area, but temperatures running well above normal on our Tuesday. Our average high now 64 degrees. Notice our temperatures do drop on Wednesday. We're in the mid 60s. It's going to be breezy as well, but then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday temperatures go to above normal. And for the most part, it's looking really nice the entire work week. Our next real chance of rain, Doug, after tonight is going to be later in the day on Friday, with most of the day actually looking mainly dry out there.
Yeah, and maybe some thunderstorms as well for your day on Friday. Right now, one more time, I want to show you where these severe thunderstorms are. Down around